For decades, industries have depended on fossil fuels like coal, diesel, oil, and gas to power their operations. But this dependency comes at an ever-rising cost, fluctuating prices, uncertain supply, and a growing environmental burden that can no longer be ignored. But imagine transforming this challenge into an opportunity. Imagine powering your existing systems with a fuel that's not only cost-effective, but also renewable and future-ready. At Steamax EnviroCare, we turn that vision into reality, introducing the OBR Lite, Steamax's oil-to-biomass retrofit kit. Not a replacement, but a re-engineering for the future. A seamless way to make your existing boilers run on clean, economical biomass. Here's how it works. The process begins with the careful dismantling of the existing gas or oil burner and its associated ducting connected to the chimney. Steamax's high-performance biomass combustor is then installed, flange to flange with the boiler. To manage emissions, an integrated air pollution control system is connected downstream. A Cyclone dust collector, a bag filter, and an induced draft fan are linked through ducting to the chimney. Biomass fuel is loaded into the feed hopper and conveyed into the combustion chamber by a screw feeder. A primary air fan draws atmospheric air and ejects it below and above the fire plane, maintaining optimal stoichiometric conditions and creating a dynamic bubbling fluidized effect. A secondary air fan delivers air to the burner periphery and fire outlet, forming an air jacket and enhancing turbulence for complete combustion of volatiles and unburnt particles. A pilot ignition system initiates combustion, producing a flame profile comparable to conventional gas or oil burners. Hot flue gases generated during combustion exit the boiler and first pass through the Cyclone dust collector, where centrifugal forces separate coarse particulate matter. Next, the gases enter the bag filter unit, where PTFE fabric filter media captures fine particulates, reducing emissions to regulatory norms. Finally, the ID fan maintains the necessary draft and discharges clean flue gases through the chimney. This meticulous engineering process leads directly to powerful advantages for your business. First, massive cost savings. Biomass is significantly more affordable than fossil fuels. Our clients often report a reduction in fuel costs by up to 40 to 50%, delivering a rapid return on investment. Second, a greener footprint. Biomass is a carbon-neutral renewable resource. By switching, you drastically reduce your emissions, improve your company's green credentials, and contribute to a healthier planet. And third, energy independence. Free your business from the unpredictable prices of the global fossil fuel markets. Secure a stable, local, and reliable fuel source for years to come. These aren't just theoretical benefits. Our OBR technology is already delivering powerful results for industry leaders across the country.